ladies and gentlemen, do some lawmakers think that they are more powerful than the laws that they legislate on? Can arrogance and political muscle shield you from the crimes they have committed? Remember Sambhal. In December 2024, police accused Zia-ur-Rahman Barq's family of Bijli Chori, electricity theft. But the Samajwadi Party MP's father threatened the cops with arrogance and impunity. Then, in Karnataka's Udaygiri, tempers flared after an RSS worker was arrested for allegedly hurting religious sentiments. Congress Minister K.N. Rajanna only made it worse, saying it's a 100% Muslim area. Naturally, they'd be enraged. And today, it's the arrogance of Delhi's recently re-elected Okhla MLA, Amanatullah Khan. When cops went to arrest his close aide, Chavez, in a criminal case, Khan allegedly confronted them, questioning their authority. How dare you enter our area? Our area? Just because your constituency happens to be a highly Muslim-dominated area, so it becomes your area? The police can't enter? The police say they were criminally intimidated and that the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Amanatullah Khan told the cops to leave right away if they wanted to live. Now, both men are on the run, the accused criminal and the MLA. Nobody can find the MLA. Watch the irony of political patronage by people who claim to stand for the Aam Aadmi.
विधायक अमानतुल्लाह खां आपराधिक चरित्र के आदमी हैं। पहले भी उन पर कई मुकदमे चल रहे हैं जहां बार-बार वो कानून के साथ खेलने की कोशिश करते हैं। लेकिन इस बार ये उनको महंगा पड़ने वाला है, क्योंकि जिस तरह का कृत्य उन्होंने किया कि हत्या के आरोपी को, जिसको कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है गिरफ्तार करने का, उसको बचाने की कोशिश उन्होंने की है। कानून अपना काम करेगा, लेकिन ऐसे लोगों को कानून सख्त से सख्त सजा दे, ऐसा हम निवेदन करते हैं।
देखिए, अगर वो फरार नहीं है तो सामने क्यों नहीं आ रहे? अगर किसी को पता लगता है कि पुलिस ढूंढ रही है और यदि किसी कारण से पुलिस से उनका संपर्क नहीं हो रहा तो वो खुद आकर के बताता है कि आप मुझे ढूंढ रहे हैं, मैं आ गया। अमानतुल्लाह खां जिस प्रकार से फरार हैं, वो साफ दिखाता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी ने 10 साल कुछ न कुछ ऐसा जरूर किया है जिसकी वजह से विधायक फरार हैं।
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate with Rohan Gupta and Karan Verma, Tehseen Poonawala and Vivek Srivastava is Dr. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst who supports the Aam Aadmi Party. And Dr. Akashdeep Muni, Amanatullah Khan, clearly dubious fame that he has because of the many cases against him, now takes a cake. He actually helps a criminal accused of murder run away completely. You know, is he a lawmaker or is he a lawbreaker? What is the example that he's setting for the Aam Aadmis, the citizens of Delhi? And he is writing letters on emails, letters that people say haven't been received, but he is himself absconding. An MLA can't be found 4 days after he's been elected. What's going on, Akashdeep Muni?
Navika ji, the accused whom police arrested or wanted to arrest actually is already on bail. Now, BJP's police wants to arrest a person allegedly stopping police from arresting a person who is actually on bail. Now, interestingly, when legal documents were shown to the police wants to frame Amanatullah Khan. Now, one thing I would just want to ask, that जब ये bail पे हैं, तो उनको रोकने वाले, अरेस्ट को रोकने वाले को क्यों अरेस्ट करें? और if he is absconding, go to his constituency, catch hold of him. Why go to Rajasthan? Why go to UP? Why take help of other state police? Now, one thing I today want to ask, that today dacoities and burglaries have increased in Delhi by 60%. ये भी अमानतुल्लाह खान करते हैं. ये तो दिल्ली पुलिस का रिकॉर्ड है. Today, there has been so much instances that Parvesh Verma is seen protecting people who have attacked the ex-chief minister of Delhi. So, उनके घर कब दिल्ली पुलिस पहुंचेगी? So, these all instances prove that Delhi police action.
You know, Akashdeep Muni, if the said accused is innocent, if he is on bail, after all, whoever is arrested by the Delhi police will have to produce the criminal in court. The court will take a call. You'll have his lawyer also standing in court. But the MLA going absconding, Tehseen Poonawalla, is there an explanation for that? Is this not the arrogance of the Aam Aadmi Party, who came as a party to bring new politics, a completely different politics, to the limelight, to the people of India, now having criminals being, completely protected by MLAs, and MLAs who've gone absconding for fear of the police arresting them?
I tend to side with citizens versus police. I tend to side because the police has state power. But Amanatullah Khan is somebody who is not just arrogant. He's made multiple cases. His son recently during code of conduct was behaving like a hooligan. They were threatening the Delhi police. When a reporter from another channel, I don't like the channel, but I stand up for journalists, went to interview him. He was caught on camera telling, the MLA was caught on camera telling the reporter, leave from here or I will beat you up. This while code of conduct is on. And it leads me to believe, I think the Delhi police is hand in glove. I am refusing to believe that the Delhi police, which is a fine police force, a professional police force, cannot find a person who's absconding. With all the technology at Delhi police is at, it's the second richest police body after the Mumbai police body. They are much more independent. They're not under any state government. They're under the union government. They can't find this guy. They didn't take action against his son. They allowed him to get away doing the gundagardi that he does. And even now, even if they were arresting somebody who's on bail and this guy was interrupting, they didn't have the relevant papers, and 25 people come and threaten the Delhi police and the Delhi police cannot retaliate. I am stunned. It is leading me to believe that the Delhi police is hand in glove with the Aam Aadmi Party in polarizing the situation, thus perhaps helping two political parties, one of them being Aam Aadmi Party.
Rohan Gupta, Amanatullah Khan says this is our area, clearly talking about the majority minority population area in Okhla. Now, the Congress party supporter is telling you that aap mile hue hain. Delhi police is incompetent. Please respond.
नाविका जी, ये नैरेटिव पूरी तरह फेल हो गया, पर मेरे मित्र अभी भी मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने देख रहे हैं. He knows that this narrative people will not accept. It is Aam Aadmi Party and Congress who fought elections together. How can you put this narrative? And this is completely failed. It is the question of law and order. मैं एक चीज कहूंगा नविका जी, रस्सी जल गई पर बल नहीं गया. यही अमानुतुल्लाह खान का जो बिहेवियर है, इससे दिख रहा है कि इवन इफ इज एमएलए, उनको लगा कि अभी भी आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है, दादागिरी चल जाएगी. How can he protect accused? How can he put police? How can he push police? How can he confront with the police? Let the law take its own course. Why is he absconding if he has not done anything wrong? So the mindset needs to be changed. People of Delhi has rejected this mindset of dadagiri and emotional politics. If you are true, if you are not wrong, come out. Why are you absconding? And where is the question of, BJP and Aam Aadmi together? How can this narrative work? Obviously, you have to support the police. You have to, if you have not done anything, come out and tell. Why are you absconding? He tried to protect the accused, murder accused. In that process, he pushed police. There is everything on record. Nothing is hidden. And if he has not done anything wrong, why he is running away as a MLA?
Well, the Congress party, which has a hat-trick of zeros and 3 hat-tricks, 3 Lok Sabha elections and 3 assembly elections, they come up with 0, and they talk about the Aam Aadmi Party being colluding with the BJP.
Can I make a comment on that?
No, you can't, because this is not a debate on the election results. I'm just doing an aside with you. But Vivek Srivastava, the question tonight is,
yes,
why is the MLA missing?
जी.
MLA भाग गया डर से. First, he allows, a criminal accused of murder to escape, and then he cannot be traced.
जी.
This is the value and this is the brand of governance that the Aam Aadmi Party brings to the state of Delhi.
नहीं, मैं कल ओखला में ही था और पूरे दिन था. आई वॉज विद सम कॉमरेड्स ओवर देयर फॉर सम अदर वर्क ऑफ ट्रेड यूनियंस. पूरे दिन था कल, मैं आपको बता दूं. और मैं सीधी बात आपको बता रहा हूं, ब्रिजभूषण शरण सिंह करते हैं.
अमानतुल्लाह खान मिला था आपको
सरकार से?
आप उन्हें मिलने तो नहीं गए थे?
सुनिए आप मेरी बात को. नहीं, आप सुनिए मेरी बात को 1 मिनट. नहीं, उनको मिलने नहीं कहा. आप सुनिए मेरी बात को. अमानतुल्लाह खान को बीजेपी की सरकार विक्टिमाइज कर रही है. एक आम आदमी पार्टी के एमएलए को, कॉर्पोरेटर को विक्टिमाइज किया जाएगा. और ये चीज इंडिया अलायंस के अन्य दलों को इंक्लूडिंग द कांग्रेस समझ रही होगी। वो वहां पे जिसको ये सो कॉल्ड पकड़ने गए थे, कल छावनी बना रखी थी पूरे के पूरे शाहीन बाग को, जामिया नगर से लेकर के एस्कॉर्ट्स हॉस्पिटल तक। इतने पुलिसमैन, क्या जरूरत है भाई? छोटे छोटे लड़के, कॉलेज के लड़के लड़कियां घूम रहे थे, हैरेसमेंट चल रहा था। कौन हो, कहां जा रहे हो, क्या हो रहा है? इज दिस द वे टू गवर्न दिल्ली? आप सत्ता में आए हैं और एक एक करके विक्टिमाइजेशन होगा, ये हम जानते हैं। जिस आदमी को अरेस्ट करने आए थे वो बेल पे था, जब पुलिस को रोका गया तो ये फॉल्सली कह रहे हैं। अभी नए वो चुनकर
Are you the judge? Would this matter not go to court? Why are you prejudging a situation? Number one. Number two, do you want to teach the Delhi police their jobs? Are you is Amanatullah Khan a lawmaker or is he the law enforcer? I want to ask you, Karan Verma, how does this who gets the right to push around the police, to question भाई वो बेल में था, कोर्ट में जाके बताओ, court will throw out the case. What is stopping them from going to court?
Exactly. And you are asking this question to Vivek Srivastava. इनके लिए धरना, प्रोटेस्ट, पुलिस से भिड़ना, these are his hobbies. भाई इन्हीं में इनको मजा आता है कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी में, इनका और कोई काम तो है नहीं। एंड आपने शुरुआत में पूछा आकाशदीप जी से कि हु इज अमानतुल्लाह, इज ही अ लॉ ब्रेकर? आप सिंपल बोल सकते थे एक वर्ड में, आप एमएलए, बिकॉज नोबडी टिपिफाइज एन आप एमएलए मोर देन अमानतुल्लाह। कंप्लीट लॉलेसनेस, दिल्ली पुलिस हैज लेबल्ड हिम एज अ मैन ऑफ बैड कैरेक्टर। नाविका जी, ये आज की बात नहीं है, 2016 में ही थ्रेटेंड अ वुमन, ही वाज जेल्ड फॉर दैट। 2018 ही अगेन थ्रेटेंड अनदर वुमन। वक्त स्कैम, जब रोहिंग्यास का भी मुद्दा आया, he laid on the ground, he said मैं 10,000 सबको दे रहा हूं। शाहीन बाग, यति नरसिंहानंद, he threatened to behead. So this is a habitual offender who has been labeled a man of bad character. और बिल्कुल सही बात है, रस्सी जल गई, बल नहीं गया। अगर ये ऐसे ही चलते गए, इनकी सही जगह जेल में ही है और वही होनी चाहिए। विवेक जी जैसे लोग इनको अलाइन करते रहेंगे, पर द लॉ विल टेक इट्स कोर्स। दिस लॉलेसनेस इज ओवर। विवेक जी, इसको बिठा लीजिए अपने दिमाग में। ये कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी का दफ्तर नहीं, पोलिट ब्यूरो नहीं है यहाँ पर, जहां आप हर समय लाल सलाम करते हुए सड़क पे लेट जाएं।
विवेक जी, you know how popular your party is across India. You know how popular your party is across India. You had 2 centers, West Bengal and Kerala. West Bengal में आपकी कितनी सीटें हैं, जरा एक बार देश को बता दीजिए। But Akashdeep Muni, I'm asking you one question. If the MLA thinks that what the Delhi police is doing is wrong, why is he absconding? Why is he absconding? Why is he hiding?
Navika ji, nobody can teach Delhi police their work, but videos can, of course. There is a person called Kapil Mishra who has on video threatened Delhi police that कि आप अगर एक्शन नहीं लोगे तो हम ले लेंगे। आज तो दिल्ली पुलिस ने उसको अंदर क्यों नहीं डाला? कि डाला? नहीं डाला। कपिल मिश्रा के बारे में
I'm asking Akashdeep Muni, okay, I agree with you, Kapil Mishra is very wrong. Now tell me, why is Amanatullah Khan absconding? Why is Amanatullah Khan absconding?
वो बाहर है वो बंदा, दिल्ली पुलिस को ये जवाब देना पड़ेगा कि वो बाहर क्यों है, कब एक्शन लेगा दिल्ली पुलिस?
पर अमानतुल्लाह खान क्यों भाग गए? Why is Amanatullah Khan missing? Why is he absconding?
Amanatullah Khan ने तो ईमेल लिख के बोला कि मैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में
Why can't he come out? Why can't he come out and tell the Delhi police? Why is he hiding? Why is a lawmaker hiding, absconding? Can you please answer that?
If the police think that he is hiding and absconding, they should get a arrest warrant in his name. Do they have a arrest warrant? They have a lookout.
So that you can play. Then he will cry. He will use his victim card, and that is what you want. Well, lawmakers becoming absconders, but clearly, Aam Aadmi Party giving a sample of why they have 43% vote share in Delhi. Is this what they promised the citizens of Delhi, the citizens of India? Is this the new politics that they brought to the table? It's a question people are asking to them. Well, we leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. And viewers, to you, it's good night. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow.